Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the lockdown chastity cage in the size small. So let's get started. So this is the lockdown chastity cage itself in the size small. It comes in an all black colour and is available in other sizes such as medium and large. Now, if you're ready for an exciting bondage experience, then look no further than this chastity cage by the Lockdown. It makes it impossible for the wearer to get an erection. The cage can even be worn multiple days in a row for a more intense foreplay. The opening at the front of the chastity cage here allows the wearer to urinate without removing the cage. This great set comes with 5 different rings in different sizes for a perfect fit, ranging from 4.5cm to 6.5cm in diameter. It also contains a metal padlock along with a set of keys just here as well, and it also comes with 5 plastic and numbered padlocks. The plastic locks can be cut off the cage with scissors after use, and the unique numbers on each padlock ensure that the wearer cannot secretly move the chastity cage and put on a new padlock as well. Now, when using this chastity cage, especially if you're a beginner, we would recommend to apply some water-based lubricant to the penis for optimal comfort when using the chastity cage. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Lockdown chastity cage in the size small. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.